So let me ask you a question. Do you have 6 months of reserves built up somewhere for a rainy day, a medical emergency? Do you have the 6 months built somewhere? Hi, I'm Lauren Dolgero, aka the Solutionist. I'm here to help you restore and rebuild your credit profile so that you can have the lifestyle you desire. Now, back to the 6 months. Everybody should have at least 6 months of reserve resources somewhere in case of a rainy day. I'm not necessarily saying it needs to be in fiat, cash for those who don't know. I'm not saying it needs to be in fiat necessarily, but there are ways to use your credit profile to make sure that you have more than plenty. There's abundance in your credit profile. There's ways that you can make sure that those rainy day funds are there, that they're ready to be employed if, God forbid, they ever need to. Again, I'm Lauren Dolgero, aka the Solutionist. I'm here to help you restore and rebuild that credit profile so that you can have the lifestyle you desire. If you have any questions on how to get this facilitated, or how to improve your credit or your credit profile, or just very specific questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm here to make sure that you understand credit and your credit profile. I hope you found intense value here in this last couple minutes with me. We strive to bring you very valuable information that's going to have an impact here and now. Please like and subscribe to this video and all videos Total Solution Trust. You're not going to want to miss out on the information that we'll be bringing forth on how to improve that credit profile, and then ultimately how to leverage it to create new streams of income. Yes, I said that. Create new streams of income from Rockstar Credit. Again, I'm Lauren Dolgero, here to help you restore and rebuild that credit profile so that you can have the lifestyle you want. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you next time.